Hello everyone, welcome to Rkmodz new video. I have not uploaded any video anytime soon, so I'm really sorry about that. So today I have just come up with a short and simple tutorial for you, so that you can make a glossy plastic peripherals or pen drive or anything like this which gets messed up over time when you use it. So you can make it a brushed clean look so that you won't have to worry about the scratches. See these scratches in here? The thing is that I have saw this tutorial in the YouTube. A guy had made a tutorial about use this kind of scrubs in there, Scotch Brite or something. So I use this one. I see there is no effect when I use this in the way he used back and forth, but there is no result at all. After that, decided to purchase another scrub, which is this one. So this one is much harder than this. That means it will scrub or it will scratch more better than this one. So let's see that which one will work for brushed look, so that we can get rid of those scratches easily. Stay tuned and let's see. So first of all, I'll just clean this thing up with glass cleaner or any kind of solution that you have, so the dirty particles doesn't stay in the plastic, which might let us not give the brushed effect perfectly. So I've cleaned up both sides. Yeah, the cleaning is done. This part actually there's a matte finish, so I don't think I have to do those brush look in here. So let's see. Now what will I do? I'll first try the back part. So I'll just use this and scratch it in the front. I think you can see that it has already taken the brushed effect. So let's do some more times. And it's looking really nice. And you see there is no scratches and nothing else at all in here. So this scrub is much more effective to make this look. So let's see if we can do in the other side also. And please remember that you have to stroke in one direction to give it a much uniform and much clean look. I think it's already done, but let's see. It's looking really nice now, and you can see that there are no scratches which we used to have before. We can give some more strokes in here to make it little more clean and more nice. So here we have it. I have just cleaned it up with a little glass cleaner, and you can see that it looks amazing and there is no scratch at all, and the brush finish looks great, and it will not catch up your fingerprint that easily, and it will look really nice for the time being. And if you get any scratch after this, you can reapply that method again to reduce those scratches, and it will look again this much good. So I think you can see this. I'll put a before and after picture of this in here so that you can see the difference easily. Till then, thanks for watching this short tutorial. Take care and bye. Inshallah, I'll upload more and more videos for you guys. So stay tuned and take care.